take this here. Now take bath. Mona hurry now. Which one are you do like Indomie generation? Bath, the next person enter, the other person enter. Now so like be.
This is unbelievable. You call this a bathroom? Ew, it's so disgusting.
I'm sorry, but there is no way Amira, is bathing here. No.
Exactly, this place stinks. I can't stay here. Oh my God, I just want to go home.
Yes, exactly.
I don't blame Una. And my mom will send me come here say, "Call show these guests where they take the bath." Where me and my sweet mama take the bath. Now they call say it stinky. I don't know how you they call her pass. See who ready here, carry bucket, enter next person, the third person. Now on our life when I leave me, I don't work out.
Wait, are you leaving us?
Wait.
For time
I want to go back home.
I don't. I can't.
Go check. You can do